In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show corporation tax clearly on the profit and loss report in Xero. Whether you're managing your own business accounts or handling finances for a client, displaying corporation tax accurately is crucial for keeping financial records transparent and compliant. With Xero, you can easily achieve this in just a few steps. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Xero login page. If you don't have quick access to it, just search Xero login in your browser. Once you're there, click on login, enter your email and password associated with your Xero account. It's important to ensure that your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. After inputting your details, click login once more to access your dashboard. Once you're on the Xero dashboard, look for the accounting menu. This is usually located on the main navigation bar. Click on Accounting and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Income Statement, which is also referred to as the Profit and Loss Report. Accessing the Profit and Loss Report is a crucial step as it provides an overview of your company's financial performance over a specific period. Now you'll want to adjust the date range for the report. This allows you to focus on the period you want to analyze and ensures that the data you're working with is relevant. There should be an option to adjust the date range at the top of the income statement page. Click on it to set your desired period. Once you've set the date range, you'll also need to select a month for comparison. Doing so can provide insights into how the corporation tax compares over different periods, which is really useful for analysis. After making these adjustments, click on Update to refresh the income statement with the new parameters. This will display your data with the corporation tax integrated into the report, allowing for a clear and accurate representation. When you're satisfied with how the report looks, you have a few options on how to proceed. You can save the report as a draft if you plan to make further adjustments later, or go ahead and publish it if everything is finalized. Xero also offers the option to save it as a custom report for specific analysis types. Finally, if you need to share this report with others or keep a copy for documentation, you can export the report as a PDF, Excel file, or spreadsheet. This feature is handy for sending the report to stakeholders or maintaining internal records. And there you have it, a streamlined way to ensure corporation tax is clearly shown on your profit and loss report using Xero. By following these steps, you can make your financial reporting more precise and insightful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Xero tips and tricks.